What's going on, fellas? Man, it's Friday. It's not raining, it's sprinkling. But this is the reason why I don't like working when it's raining, sprinkling, what have you. There's no freaking accidents. I'm on the 60 East. I go at 24 miles per hour. There's no accidents. But this is the reason why I don't like working when it's raining. Because it's still early in the day, but these people are a little too extra cautious. I can't make no money this way, you know. On the news, it said it was supposed to come down real hard after 5 p.m. So I have my last load going over to Redlands, dropping hook, and then after that, I'm parking the truck and taking my ass home because I'm not dealing with this traffic. But this is the reason, fellas. This is the reason why I hate working down here in Southern California in the rain. Because, I mean, besides all the accidents that happen, even when there's not an accident, these dudes they're crawling. And I just hate it. Can't stand it. So, yeah. It's not raining, it's just like sprinkling. The clouds up there. Clouds ain't no joke. But yeah, it's the afternoon, you know. Usually I'm jamming through these freeways at this time, but not today. Not today. Little sprinkles has got everybody driving at 23 miles per hour. Ugh. That's not cool. That is not cool at all. So, I hope you guys feel my pain. Why I don't like driving in the rain down here in Southern California. Because it sucks. Can't make no money this way. Not driving at this speed limit. And on the freeway. That's crazy. And for you rail workers, there you go. We got a JB Honda EMH2 in front of us. I feel for you guys. Can't say the money's the greatest. It's steady, but the money it's not good. Not for me, it's not. Maybe for somebody else, but not for me. Oh, crap, there's everybody's favorite company, Swift. Serious, can somebody tell me why these Swift guys drive the way they drive? I mean, don't get me wrong, not all Swift drivers are like that, but the majority of them, what's up with Swift? It's not the training, because some of them drivers been driving for years and they still drive kind of retarded. So yeah, fellas, this is the reason why I don't like driving in the rain. Look at all this room this Swift guy has. What the hell? Look at all this room. Let me get on his lane. What the hell? Wow. Really, Swift? That was at least 4 trucks, 5 trucks, 6 truck length. Damn. But that's Swift for you. So yeah, fellas, this is what's going on today. Rain, lousy money today. I made my money for today, but because this morning I had a load coming out of APL, which I ended up meeting up with one of the subscribers, Alex Garcia. Appreciate you walking over to the truck, knocking on my door, even though I wasn't there. Appreciate it was good talking to you, bro. Hopefully we bump into each other again. But yeah, I had a load going to Redondo Beach this morning, and then this one to Redlands, which turns out to be pretty good money. But going to Redlands right now, it is a mission. Oh, I got another thing for you guys. Check out my radio. My radio is out. And we all know, as a truck driver, radio comes in handy. That's our second best friend. So, I'm gonna go buy a radio. My wife says, it's just the wiring. It just happened this morning. It's just the wire, one of the wires. But that's my excuse to go get another radio for the truck. So I'll tell her, the radio's broken. We need to go get another one. So, get another radio. Put into this guy because what it's saying. Miswiring, check wiring, and all that crap. But man, I use that as an excuse to go get me another radio. But yeah, fellas, look at that. Little sprinkle is slowing us up. That is not good. Not good at all. Alright, fellas, you out there driving, drive safe, be safe. See you guys on our next video.